Digestive system. First, draw the outline of the human body starting with the head, neck, shoulders, down to the arms and the torso. Label the mouth. Draw two curved narrow parallel lines to resemble a tube. Start drawing the tube from the mouth and bend it downwards to enter the throat area. Draw a small loop at the bend and label it as salivary gland. The tube bends downwards to the throat. Label it as the esophagus in the throat area. Extend the tube downwards till it reaches the halfway of the torso. Now enlarge the tube to form a broad kidney bean-shaped pouch curving to the left side of the body. Label this pouch as stomach. Next, draw a triangular-shaped structure adjacent to the stomach such that it overlaps the top portion of the stomach at one end and erase the stomach area overlapping the liver. Label this as the liver. The liver lies to the right side of the body. Draw a small bulb-like structure towards the middle of the liver and label it as the gallbladder. Draw a small tube from the middle of the liver to stomach and label it as the bile duct. Now continue the tube downwards and form about 4 narrow loops. Label these narrow loops as the ileum and the portion of the tube before the loops as the duodenum. The ileum and duodenum form the small intestine. After looping the tube 4 times, broaden the tube and form a square-like structure such that it encircles the ileum. Label the left part of the structure as the colon and the area on the right where it broadens as the cecum. The colon is a part of the large intestine. Draw a small projection below the cecum and label it as appendix. After forming the colon, the ends of the tube form a slight bulge before extending as an outlet. Label the bulge as the rectum and the outlet as the anus. Finally, draw a small leaf-like structure to the left side in the space between the stomach and the large intestine. It is diagonally opposite to the liver. Label this structure as the pancreas. This completes drawing the digestive system.